4 a.m., blizzard conditions, and a tiny puppy left in a cage on a frozen sidewalk to die. On January 5, 2025, Kansas City faced one of its worst winter storms in decades. Freezing winds, ice-covered streets, and temperatures dropping dangerously low. An elderly neighbor heard desperate barking coming from outside, but couldn't navigate the icy conditions himself. So he did the only thing he could. He called KC Pet Project. Officer Angelina Bryant answered the call. She drove through treacherous, snow-covered roads where most vehicles couldn't pass, climbed over frozen gates, and finally found the shivering puppy, abandoned, terrified, and barely clinging to warmth inside that cold metal cage. The puppy had been left there like trash, but to Angelina, he was worth every dangerous step. She scooped him up, wrapped him in blankets, and rushed him to the shelter, where he was given food, warmth, and the promise that he'd never be abandoned again. Today, that puppy is safe, healthy, and looking for a forever home with people who will never leave him behind. Would you brave a blizzard to save a life like Angelina did? Tell us in the comments. And follow Paw Prints to join our pet lovers family. See you in the next story.